Elsewhere, LG Electronics has partnered with the University of Nairobi to train engineers, architects, constructors, and other building professionals in the latest heating, ventilation, and air conditioning innovations. Sayong Kim says there is a large gap in Kenya in the skills needed to install and maintain equipment embedded with the technology. Details of this and others stories in today's corporate briefs.
The deal between LG Electronics and the University of Nairobi will see the tech firm revamp its engineering academy and rebrand its showroom as it eyes growth in sales of its innovative heating, ventilation and air conditioning inverter technology, directly targeting professionals in the construction industry while enhancing technical skills in the local market.
Through this showroom and the academy, we look forward to guide in an era for the comfort environment for Kenyans to the business and be pleased.
This will enhance the practical skills of our students in the University of Nairobi, who will be able, after graduating, will be able to get into the working society with experience on the aspects of air conditioning.
Hundreds of trainees will benefit from the courses offered at the academy, ranging from installation, troubleshooting and a full service. At the same time, Smart Company has launched a smart solution app in the healthcare industry in a bid to aid consumers access healthcare services from their mobile phones. Smart Company's managing director, Harrison Moiro, said without smartphones will be able to access the services through a USSD code.
We have been listening to our customers in terms of how they would want to enhance their patient access mechanisms. And as a leading technology service provider in the healthcare segment, where we have been the forerunners in advancing patient access technologies in a better way through our biometrical enabled system.
Alan Auko, Lunchtime News.